Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back. It's Mark. We are out here at Lake Taneycomo. It's the beginning of March 2025. This is day 2. I was out here on Saturday for a few hours, and then I had to get together with the family and do a bunch of cool stuff. Maggie had a rehearsal deal and had some family time. And I was able to bounce back out here. It's Monday morning for a few hours. I had to wait all day yesterday at my house for a new washing machine to be delivered. I hate these windows in the middle of the day business. It just shot my day all to hell. At least I got the garage kind of picked up. This is the second part of the best of 5 giveaway with your best guess at pounds and ounces. And there's also going to be a tiebreaker, total inches of the 5 fish or the total fish that I catch. I'll tell you right now, I caught 2 on Saturday. So whatever we get today in about 3.5 hours, we're going to tally that together and we're going to do a little giveaway with some choice lures that I was bestowed from Shonka Lures this week. I'm going to do some crankbaits and a couple jigs for you guys, whoever gets that guess. So good luck, and I'm gonna go fish. Got him. Yes. Oh, number 1 on the crankbait is a little guy, but we're on the board, you guys, for March of 2025. Whew. All right. I didn't know, man. It's kind of slow going, but he's a little guy. But Taneycomo, our series does 12-inch minimum. All right. All right, fish number 1 was oh yeah. Missed it. I got it. Yep. Hello. All right, fish number 2. We should have 3 in the boat already, and I friggin' lost one. This is a nice solid fish right here. I don't know. Let's see what we get. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Fish number 2 is That hook wasn't even in the smell. Oh my God. All right, guys, I have just a couple minutes to measure this fish and weigh it. I only got one today, but it's a good one. And it's gonna go with the 2 from yesterday for a 3 fish total. Guess the weight of these 3 fish in this video. And I'll tell you what, you guys are gonna win a couple real nice custom crankbaits from Shonka Lures and a couple jigs I'm gonna throw in. Good luck. Make your guesses in pounds and ounces. And for the tiebreaker, it's gonna be the total inches of all 3 fish. All right. I gotta measure this one. This is biggin'. Oof. All right. That's a long fish. We gotta zero it. Freaking tank. Absolute tank. We're gonna let her go. Have a great day, you guys. A great example of a beautiful Taneycomo largemouth bass here. There you go. She gone. All right, that was friggin' awesome. All right, guys, here's the deal. Like I said, in this video, make your guess in pounds and ounces and total inches for the 3 fish. Good luck. I'll see you guys tomorrow with the answer. Have a great day.